in this video how to publish a Roblox game. Yes. So first you need to go to Roblox Studio and you can go with recent experience or you can create a new experience to create. So first I'm going with recent experience. So click the experience. Yes, click it. Yes. Once you click this page will appear. In this you need to go to left corner file, click the file and scroll down and you need to go to save to Roblox as is there. Yes, click it and yes, this one, click it, and once you click this pop-up will appear. In this you need to go to a create new experiences. Yes, and this basic information will appear. In this you need to give the basic information like the game name description, creator, this. So be sure the description you need to create is help for creating many user to come to your game. So create it and give save. Yes, and now you can see the game is successfully saved. Yes, so and now you need to go to publish the game. Yes, so for that you go to a left corner and click file and you have seen the options like publish to Roblox. Yes, this you need to give, and if it's giving means it will publish. If sometimes it will not work means you need to go to uh, publish to Roblox as is that you need to click it. So sometimes it will not work, so that time you can go with like this and this menu will appear. You need to go to click manage. Yes, for because they checking the eligibility status of your public experience. So we need to click manage and it has some other questions. You can answer it. And if it's not having means you need to create the expense settings and sometimes it will appear in here.